Hi, Corasordo is here. Today I will show you my first resin printer. A Creality halot 1CL60. Which I paid only €130. On paper it's a great printer. It uses a 5-inch monochrome LCD with a resolution of 2560 by 1620 pixels. Which equates to an XY accuracy of 0.05 millimeters. A precision on the Z-axis, up to 0.01 millimeters. The print volume is 127 by 80 by 160 millimeters. It has a built-in Wi-Fi connection that allows you to control the printer remotely via an app. It comes with halot box slicer software, but you can use others, like Lychee. And these are the equipment that you will find inside. But let's move on to practice. It is sold as easy to assemble and fast printing. Let's see if it's really simple. How difficult is it to set up? And how fast is it? Friends advised me to buy this magnetic plate to apply to the standard plate. Helps the removal of the piece just printed. I assure you that it is also very convenient to avoid damaging the models. Just make sure your Z-axis and platter lock allows it. Before doing this step, I obviously unscrewed all 4 of the plate's fixing screws. And now I prepare the file. I advise you to print a test print when you try a new resin. So you can set a correct exposure time. I use Lychee as slice program. Simply drag and drop. I fix model problems. Here you can enter the data of the resin. This value is the height of the single layer. And it's the only value you need to set on the PC. The others will be set on the printer. I set this at 50 microns. In this menu you can set the supports or empty the object. In this case it is not needed. In this menu you can export the file. Beware that with Creality halot 1 you have to export in this format. I set the exposure time recommended by the house. In this case 6 seconds. Consider that this printer can go up to 2 seconds of exposure. With this resin the printing time is tripled. But I still printed a test print to see if 6 seconds is the right time. I uploaded the file from the USB stick. But if connected with Wi-Fi it is possible to send it directly via computer. I cleaned the print in an ultrasonic cleaner filled with water. I dried it. I finished curing. And the model is ready. From the oversized and overflowing edges, I understood that it is overexposed during printing. Then I changed the exposure time from 6 to 4 seconds and repeated the operation. But this time with a cooler model. In this case I had to add supports. And I wanted to try this automatic method. And I must say that an excellent result came out. I bought this transparent resin for a project that you will see in the future. But if you are looking for details in a 3D model, it is definitely the least recommended color. Conversely, gray is one of the best colors to compare the print quality. I then bought this cheap brand of resin. I set an exposure time recommended by the house. I printed my test print to verify the correctness of the exposure time. And I launched a cooler print. What to say? For 129 euros it is a super printer. Easy assembly. Compatibility with other slicers. Quick and easy printing. Very detailed. I can only recommend the purchase. I hope you find this unboxing helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and stay tuned. The video of the transparent lamp will be released soon. Bye. See you next time.